Hi, my name is Kyle Scoresby. I'm a divorce and family law attorney. This video is going to be about a document called the Preliminary Injunction. It's a court order that automatically goes into effect at the beginning of every divorce case, and it prohibits certain actions by both spouses. First, if the parties have children, this preliminary injunction specifically prohibits either parent from removing the children from the state while the case is pending, which makes a lot of sense and avoids a lot of chaos that you can imagine would ensue if you had parents taking the kids out and trying to relocate while the case is pending. Another action that it prohibits is selling marital property. You can't just start selling off cars and furniture and things like that while a divorce case is pending. For the orderly resolution of a divorce case, those assets need to remain intact for the judge to properly divide or the parties to agree to divide by settlement. There is an exception to that order regarding the assets, though. If it's necessary for the parties to sell assets to provide for the necessities of life, then they can sell things. In order, if one of the spouses or one of the parents is on the verge of poverty and they're just not going to be able to put food on the table, they can sell some of their assets to be able to buy their groceries, pay their rent, and some of those basics. Maybe not surprisingly, because lawyers were probably involved in drafting this, another exception is to pay reasonable attorney's fees, you can sell marital assets. Another action that's prohibited by this preliminary injunction is borrowing against marital property. Naturally, it wouldn't be appropriate after a divorce is started for one spouse to go out and borrow against a paid-off vehicle. So that's another action that's prohibited. Finally, canceling insurance of any kind is prohibited. You can't cancel auto insurance, health insurance, life or disability insurance while a divorce case is pending.